Hi everyone. So in this video, we will explore how LangChain handles conversations using system message, human message, and AI assistant responses. So what is system message? System message is nothing but it will defines overall behavior and role of the AI. So it remains consistent across multiple user interactions if it is deliberately changed. So user message is kind of a human message. It provides specific instructions, or you can ask question for a particular task to an AI. So the maximum length of the system message or the user message you can provide is that it depends on the model you are using, because each model has context window. The context window is nothing but it has maximum number of tokens that which it can hold in a memory. See, whatever the text we send to an AI, the text is converted to tokens. So the maximum tokens it can hold in the memory, that is called as a context window. So the system message and the user message, all the length of that messages were dependent on the context window. So here you can see the system message is instructing the assistant to reply in uppercase letters, while human message is used for asking a question to the model and then generates the answer based on the given instructions. So have given a human message, that is who wrote Pride and Prejudice. Me run. So now this has to convert. The reply should be in uppercase letters. As you can see here, the reply it has given in uppercase letters, and you can get to know the additional details here also. So it took 18 tokens, and you can see like completion tokens are 18, prompt tokens are 32, and total tokens are 50. So yeah, so whatever the text you are giving, they are converted into the tokens by the LLM. And in our second use case, that is the system message will tell assistant to show step by step reasoning which helps prevent mistakes and in calculations. As you can see, you are a math assistant, always show your reasoning step by step. Here the human message I have given is what is 15 into 12. So it has to give the response in step by step. So to calculate 15 into 12, you can multiply the two numbers together. So everything it has given in step by step. Let's change the question. 18 divided by 2. Let's see if it can give in step by step. So to divide 18 by 2, we can simply perform the division operation. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Therefore, 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So yeah, by using this, by instructing that in an LLM to work as in step by step, and if we ask to give the reason, most of the times it can give you the correct calculations, and it will prevent the LLM to do mistakes. So, and in the next one, you can also control tone or style using system message. Human asks the question and assistant respond with the desired style. So here I have asked the system message, like you are a playful assistant, always end and responses with three exclamation marks. So the human message is, what is the capital of France? So the capital of France is Paris. Let me change the question. As we asked to end the response in exclamation marks, as you can see, it has ended the response in exclamation marks. What is the okay? Let me ask like this. Many oceans are there? So here it has given there are 5 oceans, as we can, and the answer ended with the exclamation marks. So yeah, so by using the system and human messages, LangChain will allows you to customize AI behavior for different tasks, and from formal answer to playful interactions. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.